lesson, we're going to take a look at the average if formula. The average if formula returns the arithmetic mean of all the cells in a range of cells that you reference and which meets a given criteria. And that's really what the if part of the average if formula is used for. Let's take a look at the formula explanation and formula syntax. So the formula is really made up of three components. There's the range, the criteria, and the average range. So the range is the range of cells which contain the criteria which you want to analyze. This range can include numbers or names, arrays, or references that contain numbers. The criteria is used to look up in the range and determine what is to be averaged. It can be in the form of a number, expression, cell reference, or text. The average range is the actual set of cells to average. In our example, we can see that the general manager of a second-hand car dealership wants to know what the average selling price of a car is for the California branch for the current year when a sale was made. The financial analyst generates from its sales journal the raw data of sales for the current year, which contains the car dealer branch location and sales figures. The financial analyst can use the average if function to achieve this number. So if we take a look down below, we can see the raw data of the sales data from the sales journal. So we've got the date, product code, product description, branch location, and sales revenue. The data in the table is comprised of 60 items, and as we can see, the branch location includes states like Alabama, California, Florida, Washington, and so on. But we just want to know what the average sales were on a given day if there was a sale in California. So let's take a look at the formula that we have that is set up to complete this in cell D22. So if we look at cell D22, it's comprised of a few components. First, we put average if, and then we put open parentheses, and for the first part of the formula, we're using range. And the range is the range of cells that we want to perform our analysis on. And in this case, we want to analyze whether the branch location is equal to California. So we're selecting cells F32 through F91, which contains the branch location. And then the next part of the formula is the criteria, which is cell C22. Instead of typing in California into the formula, we left it flexible enough to reference cell C22, which has California written as text. We can later change that text to a different branch to determine what the average is for those other states. In the last part of the formula, the average range, we're referencing cells G32 through G91, which is the sales revenue cells of the table. When I press enter, I can see that the average sales revenue for sales in California when there was a sale during the year was $12,538. And if I were to update cell C22 to Alabama or another state, we can do so and it'll update the average if formula. So in this case, Alabama is $10,438. And so we've created a formula that is flexible enough to reference another cell, and it appears to be working properly. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.